Ferrari ushers in a new era with the electrifying 296 GTB. Maranello's latest supercar is a plug-in hybrid that promises to be both staggeringly quick and surprisingly efficient. The prancing horse is going electric, but in true Ferrari fashion, it's doing so while remaining ruthlessly focused on performance. The 2024 Ferrari 296 GTB is the Italian automaker's next-generation Berlinetta, and it represents a bold step into the era of electrification. But make no mistake, this is no eco-friendly four-cylinder econobox. The 296 GTB's hybrid powertrain churns out a colossal 819 horsepower, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. At the heart of this speed machine lies a newly developed 120-degree twin-turbo 3-liter V6, the first six-cylinder Ferrari road car since the legendary Dino. This high-revving marvel produces 654 horsepower on its own, while the added electric motor integrated into the 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox contributes another 167 horsepower. The 53-kilowatt battery pack mounted low in the chassis enables limited all-electric driving range, about 15 miles by Ferrari's estimates. But it's not just sheer power that impresses. This plug-in hybrid system makes the 296 GTB Ferrari's most fuel-efficient road car yet. Official fuel economy figures have not been released, but expect them to be truly extraordinary for an 819 horsepower supercar. The electric motor fills in torque gaps from the V6 and enables efficiency-focused driving modes. Naturally, the 296 still offers various settings to unleash its performance, including a qualify mode that turns everything up to 11. The shrieking turbocharged V6, riding a wave of electric boost, revs to a stratospheric 9,000 revolutions per minute. Hooked up to Ferrari's latest evolution of its side-slip control system, even inexpert drivers should be able to explore the limits of the 296's monstrous power. The stunning bodywork, penned in-house by Ferrari designers, includes active aero elements for maximum performance. A retro-futuristic interior blends classic Ferrari flair with modern tech, including an all-digital instrument cluster. The 296 GTB may represent a new plug-in hybrid era for Ferrari, but one glance confirms this is still passionate, sensual, mind-blowing Ferrari. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.